In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You will be able to see a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it, navigate directly here at the button search bar and type for Chrome. And once you've typed it, please proceed to the best match and double tap to continue. In a few seconds, you would be navigated to the Google Chrome browser itself. All you need to do is you need to directly proceed to the window search bar being placed here at the top and make a right click and go with paste. Once you have pasted the link, hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the page where you can get an option that you can download a printer driver. So all you need to do is you need to wait until it would be set for you. Okay, so once you are here, directly navigate to the top side. You can see there download, click on it, and go with download as a zip file. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, you have to download it, okay? So once you have downloaded it, please copy and paste it here to the desktop. So here at the desktop, you need to unzip the file by making a right click and go with extract all, or you can simply use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So go with extract to HP LaserJet P2015. Now, once you have extracted it, a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Okay, and if it's taking some time to appear, you can manually check it to the File Explorer, bring it up, click on it, and proceed to the desktop. And in this way, you would be able to check if the extracted file has been placed. Yes, it's here. Okay. Once done, please close the window, proceed directly to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Once you are here, navigate directly to the left pane and locate with Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, you need to locate with the option called printers and scanners. Click on it, and eventually you can get an option where you can add a device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And here in this window, simply choose Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on Next and click on this down arrow key. So this section is very important because this is where we choose our printer port. So here is the thing. You need to select any of this three USB port, no other than that. Click on Next. Once you're good and go with Have Disk. And you need to go with Browse. And since our file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, click on it, and scroll down and navigate to the extracted file, double tap. And if no my items match to your search, don't worry. You just have to close the window, all of such. Close every, no worries for that. And then you need to proceed here to the extracted to this file that we have downloaded. I mean, open the top and proceed to this one, double tap here. Okay, and it will show you to basic driver. Select the 64-bit since Windows 11 has 64-bit. Okay, and from here it will show you the driver. Okay, so please try to copy this one, close the window, make a right click, and go with paste. Once you've pasted this one, okay, try to extract it by making a right click here and go with extract all, or either choose the WinRAR tool to extract it. Okay. Now, once you have extracted this one, okay, please set this aside and press Windows key and I key together. And here, you need to proceed to the settings and navigate the same way, and that is to proceed with printer scanners. So how we can navigate to the printers and scanners, please do the same, and that is to click on Bluetooth and devices. And from here, please proceed to printers and scanners and choose for a device. So kindly wait again until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. And once it's here, click on it. And in this window, please choose for the local printer, network printer with manual settings. Click on this down arrow key. Use any of the three USB port. Click on next. Go with half disk. Click on browse. So this time you need to navigate to the extracted file that we have extracted. Okay. So please scroll down. Okay. And choose the extracted file. Okay, so this time it will show you the driver. So click on open and click on OK. Once it's here, you can now select for the HP LaserJet P2015. So just be keen on finding such since there are a bunch of printer here. So just be keen on finding it. Okay, so I can see it here. Please click on next and go with next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Now once done, click on next, click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2015 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.